Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Coboconk, Ontario. This charming village sits at the northern tip of Balsam Lake, where the Gull River begins its journey south. Coboconk's history goes back to the early 1800s, when it became an important lumber and milling town along the Trent-Severn waterway. The arrival of the railway in the late 1800s helped the community grow and connect with nearby towns. The name Coboconk comes from an indigenous word meaning where the water runs over the rocks, a fitting description for this scenic spot by the river. Whether you're here to spend a day on the lake or just take in the peaceful views, Coboconk is a place that invites you to slow down and enjoy life by the water. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Coboconk, Ontario. Thanks for watching!